All right, we got this 4K wireless HDMI transmitter receiver and with adapter. So we got the receiver right here, the transmitter right here, the adapter over here. We've already got the USB-C to HDMI cable adapter plugged in right here. If you want, it also comes with the micro HDMI adapter and the mini HDMI adapter. I don't need those, so I'm going to set those off to the side right here. And let's come over here with the receiver first. And I'm going to take the receiver and I'm going to plug it in right here to this cable that we've already plugged into the back of the TV. So that's plugged in there. Then I'm going to take, it comes 2 of these cables like this, USB to USB-C. There's 2 of them. So I'm going to take one of those, plug this in right here. And then I'm going to plug, you could plug this into the wall or whatever. I'm going to plug it into this power bank just for the sake of this video. Now we're going to come over here. If you may need to hold this button down. As you can see, it's already working right here. So that's going. And now I'm going to take the remote. It says, for here, it says press the down button on the remote. So I'm going to press the down button. Now we're good to go there. So now it's letting us know, okay, we're ready for the transmitter. So I'm going to come over here. You want to follow me over here to my computer. And let's take we're going to take this cable right here and we're going to plug, this is the transmitter. We're going to plug that in right here like so. Now we're going to take this end and we're going to plug it into this side of my computer right here. Now, that could start flashing. That should start flashing from here. I'm going to hold this down. Now it's like this. Now it is connecting. If you look over to the TV, it is connecting to my computer. And we're good. So I'm on my computer right now, and you can see I'm scrolling through, and we're good to go. It's amazing. As you can see, a lot of crazy things going on in the world right now. Everything's insane. But this is just an amazing device. What can I say? Highly recommend.